Picture this intense moment where a striker scores a controversial goal at the World Cup and the referee must decide if it counts right now. It crossed the line! No, it didn't! The on-field referee stops the game and faces huge pressure. One wrong call could decide the entire World Cup match. Ref, that was a penalty! No, it wasn't! The outcome is in his hands. This is exactly where the video assistant referee, VAR, steps in to help the referee review the play using video technology at the World Cup. Let's review the incident. Okay. The VAR team works from a high-tech video room watching the match live from many different camera angles on several big screens carefully. VAR officials can instantly switch between multiple camera views, including goal line technology and overhead cameras, to see the full truth of what happened now. When the VAR team spots a very clear and obvious mistake, they can recommend that the referee takes another look at the incident on the pitch immediately. VAR only gets involved when there is a very clear and obvious error in one of the 4 key decision categories during the big game. Referee, potential mistake. Immediate review needed now. Check the monitor. The referee can walk over to a special pitchside monitor to watch the replay and see exactly what happened very clearly for himself today. On the monitor, the referee sees the incident from different angles in slow motion to make the correct final decision very accurately now. After reviewing the evidence, the referee makes his final correct decision and signals it very clearly to all the players on the pitch right now. The game then continues with the correct decision applied so that fairness is completely restored for both teams on the field now. Thanks to VAR, the World Cup 2026 truly delivers more accurate decisions and much greater fairness for everyone watching the beautiful game now.